Hey, what's going on? This is your boy Marlon O Bennett. For anybody who happens to be finding this video, thanks. Welcome, guys. I welcome you to the search. And in today's video, I want to talk about how you can teach yourself how to start learning to make money online. Okay, how to start learning to make money online. Now, if you're just finding me for the very first time, guys, what I talk about in terms of making money online is email marketing. Okay, so when I talk about making money online, although there are 1,000 different ways to do it, I talk about it from an email marketing perspective. And when I talk about email marketing / affiliate marketing, I talk about automated marketing systems and sales funnels. Okay, now let me show you guys. I'm going to move down just a little bit. I'm going to take my time. I'm going to scroll down right here, guys, where I want you to pay special attention to, because I'm going to talk about how you can start teaching yourself, how you can learn to make money online using automated marketing systems and sales funnels. Now, what you're looking at right now is an actual diagram that I have here, and I put it together just to give you guys an illustration of how automated marketing systems and sales funnels work. Okay, when you have something that people are looking for, right? I talk a lot about being a problem solver. So we want to start. Our automated marketing systems and sales funnels consist of 3 components. Number 1, the ability to be able to generate leads and traffic. Okay. Number 2, and this is not in any particular order, but you have to have something that you want to sell, right? And so I talk about problem solving. So when you think about your automated marketing system and sales funnel, think about something that solves a problem. In fact, I talk about three simple steps of doing it: having a high converting offer, that product or service could solve a problem, a marketing system, and the sales funnel and the traffic is what makes this actual automated marketing system and sales funnel work, right? It's like an engine, right? And so to make it work, you have to have these components in place. You have to have a high converting offer, a product or a service. You have to have a marketing system, and so that makes up the sales funnel. And the traffic over here is where we pour into the funnel that actually make it work. Okay, it starts with the capture page, and then you got your emails, and you're looking at the actual anatomy of it. It may seem really complicated, but it's really simple once you understand it. Now, once you have it, right? Once you have an automated marketing system or sales funnel, then your next objective, right, is to start driving traffic into your actual marketing system and sales funnel. And when it's set up, and the way that I do it, and the way that you can learn to do it through anything that I do, is it works for you on complete automation. Okay, as you start pouring traffic into your funnel can actually work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. I'm going to be doing videos about it. I got videos up all over YouTube about it. And so that's all I talk about, guys. Automated marketing systems and sales funnels, lead and traffic generation, or traffic and lead generation. That is it, and that is all. And so when you have this all together, right, this is what I want you to understand. You have to generate leads for your business, right? You have to be able to generate leads. There are 1,001 ways that you can actually generate leads, guys. There are 1,001 ways that you can, different sources that you can use in terms of the resources. I'm going to talk about it in just a second. But understand that when you have an automated marketing system and a sales funnel set up, your prime objective after that is to drive traffic into the actual sales funnel. Okay, we want to generate leads and traffic. So let me show you guys. I'm going to move to another screen for a second. I'm going to show you guys something in terms of generating traffic and leads. Okay, now I just finished putting together a little mini website where I'm able to go whenever I want to generate traffic and get leads for my business. I built this website, and for anybody that joins me in anything, I give this website to you guys, right? In addition to any other training that you're going to be privy to when you join me in anything that I do. But I like to talk about SOPs, standard operational procedures. And so whenever I want to generate leads for my business, I go to my page right here, guys. And of course, I can drive tons of traffic to my business through this one single page, okay? Through this one single page. I'm scrolling all the way down to the bottom. On this page that I built, I actually have some bonuses there. When you click and go to the bonuses, guys, I'm going to do it for you to show you exactly what I'm talking about. I built some bonuses inside here that gives you all the tools and resources you could possibly need, particularly if you're just getting started, to go out to start generating leads and traffic for your business. I include a few banners over here on the site. Talk about solo ads. I'm not going to go down any further than that. You guys can access the page at your leisure because I'll leave it in the YouTube video description area. Now, guys, let's talk about generating traffic and leads. Using the website that you guys just saw me on, my How to Get Traffic website, over the course, guys, and I thought I'd do a follow-up video because over the course of the last 4 days, I was able to generate over 200 leads using the resources and the strategies inside of my How to Get Traffic website, okay? You can see right here, guys, if you look over to the right, it's 6:29 on the East Coast, right? And that's the last lead that came in. And I got to tell you guys, the traffic hasn't stopped yet. Using 3 techniques, 3 sources inside of my How to Get Traffic website. Just today, guys, I brought 50 people, right? I generated 50 leads just today. Again, the traffic's still coming in. Yesterday, it was 99. Day before, I think it was 5, 16, 1, 1, respectively. You can see, guys, the traffic never seems to stop, guys. And I'm just using a couple of the sources. But in order to make your automated marketing system and your sales funnel work, you must pour a continuous flow of eyeballs into your actual system. Now, let me show you something, guys, because this is something that I don't know a lot of people don't understand. They hear traffic, they think that it's going to cost them a lot of money. Doesn't have to cost you a lot of money, guys, particularly when you have SOPs, standard operational procedures, lined up, okay? Something that you do every day or even once a week to generate leads and traffic to your business. On my How to Get Traffic website, you're going to find a few resources that, again, you don't have to spend a lot of money, but you can generate a lot of leads and traffic by what it is I'm doing here, guys, okay? You're going to find out a little bit more about my SMS phone leads system, how that works. And by the way, that's one of the sources that I'm using to drive this kind of traffic to my business, okay? To get, to get these leads into my automated marketing system and sales funnels. The other one that I'm really excited about is, and I'm scrolling down, is Craigslist. You'll find, guys, you can set up a Craigslist within a few minutes, but if you're on my How to Get Traffic website, you can click right here and start posting ads. I'm generating leads from Craigslist using my SMS phone leads number in conjunction with the Craigslist, the ads I'm posting on Craigslist. So what's happening is people are dialing my SMS phone leads number, and that's how I'm generating a lot of this traffic, guys, okay? You can test this number out. You can see exactly how it works in real time, and then you'll understand the power behind having something like that. So the SMS phone leads in conjunction with the Craigslist, that's just 2 of the places that you guys can come and start making that happen. Now, I have some other great resources on my page just in case you guys want to go on Craigslist and start posting to Facebook groups. You can do that right here, guys. When you click here, I take you over to 100 Facebook groups that you can actually join. You can post ads inside, or post into Facebook groups, and you can generate traffic and leads that way too. But right from this page, you can do all of that. You can log into, you can download, or you can actually get into the Facebook groups and start, joining them. Some of them you can join instantly. Some of them you have to wait for admin to approve you. But then when you go here, you can, right on this page, you can log right into your Facebook start posting the groups. I actually posted to a few of them, but I haven't had any leads and traffic from Facebook yet. I really don't like posting in Facebook groups. I just tried it. I don't really like it. I like paid traffic better, because to me it's faster. But if you guys are on a tight budget, or whatever your budget is, that, you know, you can go there, and that is a way to start generating leads and traffic. Of course, again, you're gonna have Craigslist here. This week, guys, I will be going into the classified ad sites where you can actually post multiple, ads in multiple publications, newspapers, both online and offline. And again, when you scroll down and you come to the bonus page, you'll see just two of the solo ad sources, and there are a few that I'm using to drive this kind of traffic into my automated marketing system and my sales funnel. Now, guys, here's the good news. If you're looking for a home, right? If you don't already have a business of your own, right? Because you need something that you to be able to sell, right? That's part of that engine, okay? The automated marketing system and sales funnel. You can't sell anything if you don't have anything to sell. If you think some of the information that I'm covering makes sense to you guys, and you're talking about being able to tap into even more video instruction in terms of tactics, strategies, and techniques that you can actually start implementing right now, today, in addition to a great automated marketing system and sales funnel, then I'll leave a link in the YouTube video description there. You guys can click on it. You can come over. You guys, there'll be a little intro video. I'll talk a little bit to you guys about what I've been able to do, and you guys can check the opportunity out, make an informed decision in terms of if that's something you want to do. And I'm saying that to say this: when I do these videos, guys, I don't know what level you're on in terms of internet marketing and email marketing. Most of my videos are centered around brand new people, and here's the reason why, guys. Every day, over 200,000 brand new people come online looking for ways to make money on the internet. Every day, 200,000 plus brand new people come online looking for ways to make money working from home. So you're never going to run out of potential prospects to get in front of and solve that problem for when you understand how to do it, when you have the right training, when you know the right sources to tap into in terms of generating leads and traffic for your automated marketing systems and sales funnels. And I'm excited because I want to share this kind of information with as many people as I possibly can, because when I got started, guys, I never tell you, I don't think I've ever mentioned the amount of money that I spent when I was trying to make money online when I first started out. I never mentioned that number because I used to be kind of embarrassed about the amount of money I spent trying to figure out how this works, and particularly with email marketing. But it's really not as complicated as it seems. It takes work, it takes training, it takes commitment, right? And it takes vision and focus, right? But you can do it if you're willing to get in a place where you're ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things you never knew. So guys, I hope that you're excited. Again, if you're finding me for the very first time, go ahead on and subscribe to me on YouTube, guys. I'm going to be putting up I got a lot of great information I'm getting ready to throw up on YouTube, guys. I mean, oh wow, it's a lot of great information I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll leave the links in the YouTube video description area for you guys if you want to see what it is I'm doing. And I look forward to working with you and welcoming you to our team, right? We got a great community with everything that it is I do in terms of Facebook groups, masterminds, all kinds of things, all kinds of information that you guys will be able, we'll talk about being focused, to get in here and be able to set some focus up for yourself, okay? Because that focus and that commitment to the process is going to be key, right? Anyway, that's my time, guys. I got miles to go before I sleep and 1,000 more videos to shoot. So, as always, I want to wish you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to live in a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep banging.